I'm Jessica. I have a bachelor's degree in social work and I'm working on my master's. I'm going to be talking about the Adoption Assistance and Child Welfare Act of 1997. It was put into place by government to reduce the number of children in the foster care system. In the 1990s, the number of kids in the system got to a really high number, about 570,000 children in the system. So this act was supposed to help children find their homes, whether with biological parents or with adoptive homes. A lot of children in the foster care system may have some special needs, such as medical conditions or behavioral problems, and then also they might be a part of a family group or they might be of a different race. All of those could potentially make placement more difficult, and so this act would provide incentives such as financial assistance for families to adopt children with these special needs. So in 2010, the number of children in the system did decrease to about 405,000 children. All of that can't be attributed to the act, but I'm sure it did help a lot. Although the act has benefits and it has helped, there are also quite a few downfalls. This act has not been implemented all throughout the U.S., so there's a lot of families that are falling through the cracks and not receiving the resources and financial assistance that this act has said they would help with. What I think that needs to happen, I think there needs to be more education and training within the juvenile court system, with the social services and the representatives and advocates, so that way we can do our part in investigating why aren't these individuals getting these resources when they clearly need it. So education and training, we need to do that so that way we can better help our families. I also believe that though there are resources, there is a lack of it, or maybe they aren't being distributed properly. So I think that the government should look into what should they be helping with, because I know there are families with children without these special needs that I've talked about. They need assistance just as much, whether it's financially or whatever. I think all families should have the same opportunities for assistance. So I believe that's what the act really needs right now is education and enforcing the acts and making sure that people are looking into it and making sure that individuals are receiving those benefits, and also looking at the resources and seeing where we can bring more to the table, in assisting the families, not only with the children with the special needs, but individuals with all the other children as well. Education goes a far way.